but they do have the brain. And they've devised an ingenious way to solve the problem. They hammer the clams. They're not trying to crack the shells. All this pounding and rolling has another purpose, to tire the muscle with which the clam is holding itself shut. Eventually, the clam can hold out no longer, and the capuchin gets its reward. Trial and error may have been sufficient to solve this particular problem. But one of their cousins in Brazil has taken things a step further. Brown tufted capuchins combine manual dexterity with considerable intelligence. And they have learned to use tools, hammerstones with which to open palm nuts. Some of the stones are nearly half the weight of the monkey. Without a tool, opening